Question number 1. In which year was Sati abolished? The options are A. 1827, B. 1829, C. 1826, D. 1927. The answer is B. 1829. Question number 2. What was the name of the Samaj founded by Dayananda Saraswati? The options are A. Arya Samaj, B. Brahmo Samaj, C. Pratana Samaj, D. Adi Brahmo Samaj. The answer is A. Arya Samaj. Question number 3. Whose campaign and work led to the enactment of Widows Remarriage Reform Act of 1856? The options are A. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, B. Rajaram Mohan Roy, C. Annie Besant, D. Jyotiba Phule. The answer is A. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Question number 4. Whose voice was Rast Goptar? The options are A. Parsi movement, B. Aligarh movement, C. Ramakrishna mission, D. Dravida Mahajana Sabha. The answer is A. Parsi movement. Question number 5. Who was the founder of Namdari movement? The options are A. Baba Dayal Das, B. Baba Ram Singh, C. Guru Nanak, D. Jyotiba Phule. The answer is B. Baba Ram Singh. Question number 6. Who was the founder of Widow Remarriage Association? The options are A. Mahadev Govind Ranade, B. Devendranath Tagore, C. Jyotiba Phule, D. Ayangali. The answer is A. Mahadev Govind Ranade. Question number 7. Who was the author of the book Satyartha Prakash? The options are A. Dayananda Saraswati, B. Ayodhi Dasar, C. Annie Besant, D. Narayana Guru. The answer is A. Dayananda Saraswati. Question number 1. Dash founded the Samarasa Veda Sanmarga Sangam. The answer is Ramalinga Swamigal. Question number 2. The founder of Pune Sarvajanik Sabha was Dash. The answer is Mahadev Govind Ranade. Question number 3. Kulumgiri was written by Dash. The answer is Jyotiba Phule. Question number 4. Ramakrishna mission was established by Dash. The answer is Swami Vivekananda. Question number 5. Dash was the forerunner of Akali movement. The answer is Singh Sabha. Question number 6. Oru Paisa Tamilan was started by Dash. The answer is Ayodhi Dasar. Choose the correct statement. Question number 1. 1. Rajaram Mohan Roy preached monotheism. Statement 2. He encouraged idolatry. Statement 3. He published tracts condemning social evils. Statement 4. Rajaram Mohan Roy was supported by Governor General William. The options are A. Statement 1 is correct. Option B. Statement 1 and 2 are correct. C. Statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct. D. Statement 1, 3 and 4 are correct. The answer is D. Statement 1, 3 and 4 are correct. Question number 2. Statement 1. Pratana Samaj was founded by Dr. Atmaram Pandurang. Statement 2. Pratana Samaj encouraged entertaining and intercaste marriage. Statement 3. Jyotiba Phule worked for the upliftment of men. Statement 4. Pratna Samaj had its origin in the Punjab. The options are A. Statement 1 is correct. B. Statement 2 is correct. C. Statement 1 and 2 are correct. D. Statement 3 and 4 are correct. The answer is C. Statement 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 3. Statement 1. Ramakrishna Mission was actively involved in social causes such as education, healthcare, relief in time of calamities. Statement 2. Ramakrishna emphasized the spiritual union with the God through the ecstatic practices. Statement 3. Ramakrishna established the Ramakrishna Mission. Statement 4. Ramakrishna opposed the partition of Bengal. The options are A. Statement 1 is correct. B. Statement 1 and 2 are correct. C. Statement 3 is correct. D. Statement 4 is correct. The answer is B. Statement 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 4. Assertion. Jyotiba Phule opened orphanages and homes for widows. Reason. Jyotiba Phule opposed child marriage and supported widow remarriage. The options are A. Assertion is correct, but the reason is not apt to the assertion. B. Assertion is correct and the reason is apt to the assertion. C. Both are wrong. D. Reason is correct, but the assertion is irrelevant. The answer is A. Assertion is correct, but the reason is not apt to the assertion. Match the following. 1. Oru Paisa Tamilan. Widows Remarriage Tamilan Reform Act. 2. Thiruvarutpa. Nirangari. 3. Baba Dayal Das. Adi Brahmo Samaj. 4. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Journal. 5. Devendranath. Songs of Grace. Choose the best. Correct the answers. 1. Oru Paisa Tamilan. Journal. 2. Thiruvarutpa. Songs of Grace. 3. Baba Dayal Das. Nirangari. 4. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Widows Remarriage Tamilan Reform Act. 5. Devendranath. Adi Brahmo Samaj. Question number 1. Mention the 4 articles of faith laid down by Maharishi Devendranath Tagore. The 4 articles of faith are: in the beginning there was nothing, the one supreme being alone existed who created the universe. He alone is the God of truth, infinite wisdom, goodness and power, eternal, omnipresent, the one without second. Our salvation depends on belief in Him and in His worship in this world and the next. Belief consists in loving Him and doing His will. Question number 2. Discuss Mahadev Govind Ranade's contribution to social reforms. Mahadev Govind Ranade was one of the distinguished members of Pratna Samaj. He devoted his life, developed intercaste marriage, widow remarriage and improvement of women and depressed classes. He was the founder of the Widow Marriage Association, the Pune Sarvajanik Sabha and Deccan Education Society. He campaigned and raised funds to educate the lower caste Pulaya people. Question number 3. Write a note on reforms of Ramalinga Adigal. He showed his compassion and mercy on all living things including planets. He established the Samarasa Veda Sanmarga Sangam, which means Society for Pure Truth in Universal Selfhood. He also established a free feeding house for everyone irrespective of caste at Vedaluri. His voluminous songs were compiled and published under the title Thiruvuruppa. Question number 4. List the social evils eradicated by Brahmo Samaj. Due to the effort of Brahmo Samaj, Sati was abolished. It tried to eradicate polygamy, ideal worship, subjugation, suppression of women, child marriage, meaningless religious rites and ceremonies. Question number 5. Highlight the work done by Jyotiba Phule for the welfare of the poor and the marginalized. He opened the first school for untouchables in Pune. He launched the Kshatriya Shodhak Samaj, Truth Seeker Society, to stir the non-Brahmin masses to self-respect and ambition. He opposed child marriage and supported widow remarriage. Jyotiba Phule and his wife Savitribai Phule devoted their lives for the uplift of the depressed classes and women. Jyotiba Phule opened orphanages and homes for widows.